Today's video is actually for those who want to design book mockup or want to do a mockup for their book, and especially for those who want to market their book out there, whether on social media and any other places where you can advertise your book. Remember, you cannot advertise a written book, or you cannot advertise a book that you've written without having a flyer. Okay, and then you cannot advertise it, or you cannot do the flyer of the particular book without having a mock-up of the book in support of the flyer, to make things very simple, nice and easier, and for people to have a glimpse of the book. Therefore, this video is for those people. Hello, welcome back to the Young Author channel. My name is the Young Author, and you can call me Nansha. Stay tuned and watch the video to the end so that you can know how to do a book mock-up. Finally, I just want to come your way with this particular site. It is called DIY Free Mockup. I found this site to be very helpful, cheap, and also free of charge. You won't pay anything. You just upload the cover of your book, and then you have your mockup done. Simple as that. Watch to the end and see how you can do it. And also, on the other hand, I'll also take you through Canva, how you can use Canva to do your book mockup. But that one, it requires a little bit effort, but it is not as complicated, it is not as difficult as you may think. Thank you for watching.